Hello everybody, I hope you are doing good. Today we can discuss non-verbal communication, and the first one is that I can discuss with you is kinesics. Kinesics is a study of body's physical movement. It's like your body contains your face, your hands, your posture, gesture, and all these actually convey masses about you, about your behavior. So many things are there. How you carry yourself actually gives masses. So the first one is your personal appearance. Personal appearance means how you maintain yourself, how you maintain your hairs, how you maintain your beards, how you maintain your dress, and everything that you carry with you, like your bags, anything that you carry with you, that also is part of personal appearance. So this is the first one. I must say, in personal appearance we can simply say that you have to maintain yourself according to the workplace, because workplace requirements, what they're asking you to maintain accordingly, you have to do that. But one more thing that I would like to add, because this is not a in your ACC paper they're not going to ask you much in detail that what is a personal appearance, what you understand from it. But if in your assignments, if somewhere else where you have to write in detail, I can simply say personal appearance matters, but personal appearance giving importance too much to it, like grooming yourself too much, actually is considered to be a kind of feminine concept somewhere, that is criticized somewhere, that is appreciated by someone also. But we have to understand that there are two kinds of concepts: one is masculine concept, one is feminine concept, and grooming is actually a part of feminine concept somewhere. Okay, so next one that I can discuss with you is posture. Posture means the way we stand, sit, walk, and choose to talk and choose not to talk. It's simply, posture means the way you maintain, the way you are sitting, the way you walk. If you're walking fast, you're walking slow, standing, in erect posture, standing in a posture that shows that you're not energetic. So many things are there actually which deal with your energy inside you, how spirited you are. If you are having energy or spirit, if you are having concern for your physical maintenance, means physical body maintenance, you can simply say that you consider with your posture, and that is sign of your being lazy, of your being active, of your being so many things can be actually judged. Suppose you are walking fast, can be said that a person likes to walk fast, it can be a person be in hurry. If you are walking slow, it can mean that you are not in hurry, and it can also mean that you are a bit lazy type of person. So posture also conveys a lot many things. Apart from posture, if you go for this, we have gesture. Gesture is actually the movement of your hands, head, or face. So it's like appropriate gestures give you meaning. And apart from that, I can simply say that what happens sometimes, you use your hands, your face, your head also to say yes or no. This is called gesture. After gesture we can go facial expressions. Your face expresses a lot many things. Eye contact, how you make contact with people, whether are you being able to make eye contact. Sometimes we make eye contact, that is sign of your being confident. Sometimes we don't make eye contact, that is also a sign of you not being that much confident. And at the same time it can be a sign that you don't like the person, because you just don't want to make eye contact. So both the things are possible. Apart from that, if you go for proxemics, proxemics is a study of physical space. The space that a person maintains with other people is considered to be proxemics. Like if you maintain 1.5 feet space, this is called intimate. And then if it is 1.5 to 4 feet, this is called personal. And 4 feet to 12 feet, this is called social. And after this 12 feet to 25 feet around, more than that, it is considered to be public space. Okay, I think non-verbal communication is left. Yes, we are left with two more things: chronemics and haptics. Chronemics means the way you manage your time. Chronemics, the way you manage your time. If you're interested in something, you reach early. If you're not interested, you be late. That's a sign of your being interested or not being interested. That's the chronemics. Haptics means the way you touch. The way you touch anything, it also has a lot many meaning to say. That's a haptics. So these are the things which actually we have to understand, and we can study in detail from the book. And in your paper they simply ask you where do you find all these things. So after reading the passage you can simply say yes, this is the use of chronemics. If a person is not making hurry, is delaying something, you can say this is use of chronemics, that this person perhaps is not interested. So here in this example we can use chronemics. Haptemics means how a person claps, how a person shakes hand, everything is there a part how you touch a person, how your touching something says conveys the message is called haptics. And proxemics means how you maintain distance between you and the person you are talking to. Apart from this we have personal appearance. If you maintain yourself in a passage, once after your reading passage there will be certain details also, that this person is looking good, this person cares after him, this person has worn this kind of clothes. In certain place which are written by William Shakespeare and other writers, we can simply say that characters wear a certain kind of clothes also, that shows their nature. It's like if you go for his place, you find those we who wear colorful clothes too much, they are considered to be a much more romantic and comedy type people. So this is also a case. So many things are there which are considered, which are there. After reading in passage you can find that this is somewhere use of personal appearance. Haptics you know, proxemics you know, and chronemics you know, personal appearance you know. So all these things you have to read in passage and find out from there where the use of all such things are there, and you can just quote this is the example and this is the use of this kind of non-verbal communication. So this is how it's going to work. Thank you.